My name is Suzanne with Direct Intuition and Reiki Brilliance. I am here today enjoying a little bit of nature in a local park in the middle of a city. And what I'm here to show is for all of us to get reconnected to nature wherever we are. I have found this beautiful tree. It's a willow tree. I have no idea how old it is, but I can feel the energy of it just by sitting on it. And as I'm sitting here, it just reminds me of how beautiful and how powerful nature can be in our everyday life, including hearing birds in the background. Sometimes we get so busy thinking that everything else in life becomes more important than being centered in ourselves and the beauty of our planet. So I would encourage you today, wherever you are, to just go up to a tree, put your hands on it, feel the joy of being around it. You can, like I am here, be able to sit on it. And just take a minute, take a couple of breaths in, center yourself. You can even close your eyes so you can feel the energies between you and the tree. As you connect to the beauty of this tree, just know that Mother Nature is always with us, helping us enjoy our days more fully, with beauty, with grace, calm, and serenity in all ways. I hope that you'll be able to join us. We're going to be teaching a Daughters of Earth class starting October 14th.